So yesterday we started discussing about record producers. So record producers are nothing but uh, these are actually record creators. So once you submit the form, right? Once you submit the form, if it has to create a record on any particular table. So in our case, we have selected demo incident is actually the table name that we selected here. So as soon as you submit the form, it has to create a record on the demo incident table. We have to select the table name here and we have to create the variables. We have to create the variables and those variables you can actually map it to the demo incident table fields. So how do we map it? So we will actually open this variable. In this variable, you can have you can actually check the map to field checkbox and you can select the demo incident field name for which you want to map. Okay, so that is actually about variable mapping with a target table. So you can also map the fields. You can also map the fields using scripting as well. So in the scripting, you will have access to current object and you will also have access to producer object. So producer object refers to this record producer variable names. Well, when it comes to the current object refers to this particular target table name that you have selected here. Okay. So here you can also write the scripting. Once you submit the record producer, the script will be executed. So yesterday I have given you one requirement, guys. So what is that requirement? So in the catalog form, in the record producer form, you have to have a field called incident. Sorry, not incident, table name. Okay, table name. So here I am selecting this one as select box here. Select box is nothing but drop down field. So in the type specification, I am just allowing include none here, and as well as I want to create some choices. I want to create some choices. So incident. So value I am actually giving incident here. Problem. See here, I am giving table names here. Values as table names I am giving here. Okay. If I open this record producer here, here you guys can see incident problem change. Suppose user is selecting incident here and he is providing these details here. Okay, he is providing these details here. So once he submit this one, right? Once he submit the record producer, it has to create record on incident table. It has to create record on incident table. How exactly it will create a incident record? So here you have selected as demo incident as target table. So in the record producer, if you take a look at here you selected as demo incident table, but and in the water in the field, if you select incident, it has to create incident record. If you select change, it has to create change record. So it should not create demo incident record. So in that case, what we will do is, so we will actually use current.setAbout action in the end, because it should not create demo incident record. To stop demo incident record creation, we will use current.setAbout action as true. So did you guys understand why do we use this line of script? Hello?
Yes, Uday.
Yes, Uday.
Okay. So if producer dot table name equal to incident, then you will write a glide record to create an incident record where gr inc is equal to new glide record. So here table name you can directly pass dynamically. Okay. So what you can do is you don't even have to use this line of script. You don't even have to use this line of script. So in the incident problem change, there are common fields, right? There are common fields, right? So grinc dot short underscore description is equal to producer dot u underscore short description. Grinc dot description is equal to grinc dot so remember one thing. Did you guys understand the logic here? What I have done here? Did you guys understand the logic? So I am writing glide record and passing the table name from this record producer variable value. See here, if I select incident here, so here it will go as incident. So then it will actually glide the incident table. So it will actually write a glide record on the incident table and initialize the new record and provide the short description, and it will create a new record. So if we are selected a change record here, sorry, if we are selected change record here, so change request table name will go here and it will create a change request. So if you have selected problem here, so problem here, so problem name will go here and it will create a record on the problem. So we will just save this one. I am selecting problem here. I did not map affected caller and caller with any field in the problem table. So we will go to the problem table and check whether the problem record is created or not. See, problem record is created or not. This is the problem record that is actually created now. So just now, so problem record is created. So if you have selected incident record here, it will create the incident record. Do you guys understand?
Yes.
Yes,
So
Uday.
you guys can ask me. So once the record is created, it is showing record not found, right? So if it shows record not found, user will get confused, right? See, if I hit enter here, it will create a, what is this? So it will create a, okay. So it will create a incident record, but still it will actually show record not found. So users will get confused or not? Users will get confused or not?
Yes.
So in that case, what we will do is we will actually write some redirection URL. Okay. So what we can do is we can actually redirect the URL to producer.redirect, something that like that. There will be producer.redirect. And then the URL that you have to redirect once the record is created, the URL you can pass it here. So what URL we can pass it here? In place of this one, we have to pass the table name. So we have to take this particular URL. So in this URL, we have to make this content dynamic, right? Okay. So dot do sysid. Sysid will be newly created sysid, right? grinc dot sys underscore id. Okay. So this record producer will redirect to this particular URL. Okay. Let me just check whether the line of script that I have written is correct or not. Producer dot redirect. Producer dot portal redirect. So here using portal dot producer dot redirect, whatever the line of URL that he has given, that is he is actually referring to that particular one. I don't think we have to use this line of script here. We will give it a try. So redirection did not happen properly. Let me just create one more. So here and there we have to make small modifications, guys. We have to use producer.redirect to redirect the URL, to override the URL. So it is still redirecting it to demo incident record. I think we have to use it in the end of the. It is still redirecting it to this particular one. Record template accessibility view. Redirecting the user to another page after the record producer is submitted. Somewhere we are missing, guys.
They are giving like producer dot redirect is equals to, right? But we are giving as a method. Is it fine?
Yeah, you're right. So they are giving producer dot redirect is equal to they are giving here. Now what I have done here, I have done small mistake here. Inside that one I have kept. So which is actually a mistake. Okay. Let us try our luck this time. Yes. Right. We are on right page. You guys are able to understand? It is redirected to problem record. Did you guys understand?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
If I have selected
Yes,
incident
okay.
record here. See, this kind of mistakes we usually do it in the development, guys. Instead of equal to, if we keep something else, it will take 2 hours time. Understand? So this time it should redirect you to the incident form. See, it has redirected me to the incident form or not? Guys?
Yeah.
Yes.
So if you have selected change request here, once a change record is created, it should redirect you to the change form. So there is a lot to learn in the record producers, guys. Record producers are not that easy as we think. Hope you guys are clear with the record producers concept. Okay. Clear?
Yes, Uday.
Yes.
Okay. So small things, portal settings, like if you want to make mandatory attachment, you can actually make mandatory attachment here from here. If you want to hide the attachment icon, you can hide the attachment icon from here. So you can hide the attachment list from here. Okay. So this generated record, you don't use it. So accessibility. So record producer should show up under software service catalog, under software category. Okay. So this is actually all about record producers, guys. Okay. So let us say, guys, you have variable set here. You have variable set here. So in the variable set, you will see map to field option. Do you use variable sets to map the fields?
Yes.
If you use
Oh,
variable
yeah.
sets to map the fields, right, that will actually impact other catalog items.
Okay.
So then we should not use map to field option in the variable sets, because that variable set might be using in catalog items as well. So that is why if any variable that is coming from variable set, in that case we have to go for scripting to map. Okay, variable set variable should be mapped from the scripting. Keep this point in your mind, guys. Okay.